We can add Stackbit to a site that uses Contentful with a modern front end in minutes with just one file and less than a dozen lines of code. For this demo, we'll use a business website from Vercel's template library. After starting the Next.js development server, we add a Stackbit YAML configuration file. Now, we'll add 6 simple lines of code. And just like that, we're ready to bring our site into Stackbit. Next up, let's start the Stackbit dev server using the CLI and local environment variables. Open the provided URL and voila! Your site is available inside Stackbit. And it's editable too. Open the CMS tab and notice how Stackbit has already pulled in all the content items in Contentful. Navigate to the content item and make an edit. Look, it updates instantly on the preview and in Contentful with a two-way sync. In under 1 minute, we've already integrated and made our sites editable with Stackbit. But wait, there still is more. Okay, now let's get the page editor running so we can see and edit the content that's on the page in the sidebar. To do that, we add these 3 lines that map the page type models in Contentful to their related URL path. Your configuration should be custom to your content schema, as this is how Stackbit will know what content is on which page of your site. Now, without refreshing anything, Stackbit has already picked up the pages we listed in our configuration. You can see them in the sitemap navigator and you can jump from page to page. When you are on a page that Stackbit knows about, the page editor is now active. Open it and you can see that Stackbit picks up all the content that is on the related page, and you can instantly make changes to it right from the sidebar. Okay, next, let's build our component library. To do this, I'll find the wrapping HTML element of one of my components. Once you are here, all you need to do is add a special annotation to the wrapping HTML element called data SB object ID. Now, back on the preview, we see a highlight of the related component and we have this save as a preset button. Let's save our preset. And look, now it's available in our component library and we can even add it to a page. Lastly, let's enable on-the-glass editing. For my codebase, the post.title is being passed as the title prop. If I go inside the post header, I can then see it is passed further into this post.title. Now, at this level, we will add Stackbit's other special annotation called data SB field path, and we'll set the value to the related ID in Contentful. For me, that value is title. Now back in Stackbit, we can edit on the glass. Okay, in under 3 minutes, we integrated our site with Stackbit, activated page contextual editing, and started building out a visual component library. And this is just the beginning. There's so much more you can do with Stackbit, including integrating third-party tools and handling publishing workflows across multiple content sources. Stackbit is the most impactful way to manage headless websites. Sign up for a free demo now.